the channel, guys. We got a little project going on. So if a couple last upload, Brian brought his car back. We got some projects we need to do. Number one, we need to get these SN95 axles out of here. As you can clearly see, that's not gonna cut it. So we're gonna swap out the SN95 axles for Fox length axles.
I was thinking this right here.
And also,
I don't know
we need to
I
do
was thinking it come out on out.
the heater core. It's leaking like a big dog. So that's gonna be the projects today.
Hey, there's a guy right
There, if you didn't catch it, Brian's got the 16 seats in it. Got all the black interior, a little dusty, but yep, projects, let's go. All right, y'all, so the axles going in Brian's car, they're actually coming out of Lee's car. Simple fact, Lee is going 31 spline. These are 28 spline 5-lug axles in Lee's car, which obviously he's not going to need anymore because he's got a set of Yukon 31 splines, diff, and all that. So what we got to do is we're going to yank the axles out of this car, and then we're going to go over and put them into Brian's car, get rid of those SN95 length axles that make the wheels stick out. So let's get these things out. Got the axles out, and Dover has been, shut up Ken, Dover's been over here about to pull the dash, gonna put a heater core in it because it's leaking like a big dog, and Ken's over there struggling to install an H-pipe.
Oh, Ken puts motors in and transmissions in and
But anyway, I'm putting a new heater core in this one. If you did not see the full video when we did the heater core on the 93 GT, go back and watch that. A lot easier way to do it. But
don't the Coyotes just look so much at home?
they do.
Things?
I mean, they
look,
fit.
Hey, guys, look at all these Coyotes. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
Yeah, 5 in the crate.
5. There's
5 good ones.
There's 2 sitting there though.
Yeah, but that one's done.
Yeah.
Well, we can bring it back. But 5 Coyotes in here, guys.
I know. It's nuts.
Oh.
And the Shelby. Did you count this? Did you count this Coyote?
Shelby's not a Coyote though, but it's a beast.
Because there's 4 right there.
Well, I mean, I didn't count the one sitting in the car.
Well, why not? That's a Coyote too.
Well, if I count the one in the car, then I gotta count a bunch more.
True. All right, we gotta get back. Ken, we gotta get back to work on this car.
You do your thing, man. I'm doing my thing.
All right, let's get back to work. Yeah. Yeah, it might have been leaking just a little bit. scrap pile. Old heater core gone. Again, guys, if you did not see the video, we walked you through step by step on how to do the do a heater core in these cars. So go back and check that out. It's right here on the channel. Nothing to it. Alrighty, y'all. Both the axles out. Yanking brackets off. Got to modify the brackets. Put it back in.
Swap sides.
Swap sides. And should be good to go. Heater core done. Looking good. All hooked back up. Brian, you're going to have heat now, dude.
Look at that.
Not only do you have a Coyote, you're going to have heat, too.
Yeah, and it won't be leaking.
That's true. That's true.
That's a good thing.
Yeah, 100%. So, the next time you see Brian's car, the wheels will actually be fitting inside.
You like it?
The fender well. Looking 100% better.
The next time?
Woo! No, negative. But yeah, y'all, it has been a beautiful day. I did have to show you Brian's son's GT. It was on the channel way back when he got it, surprised his son, painted it, and all that good stuff. But it is, it's a 90 model. Got the black Terminator 10th anniversary wheels on it. Super cool car, and like I've alluded to before, we're going to be doing a AOD to T5 swap, complete front to rear swap here shortly. So if you're ever needing to do an AOD to T5 swap, I'll have you covered there too. But this is a super cool car. Absolutely love it. AOD GT, love it. Be a fun project. All right, guys, so that is pretty much what I got for you today. I was trying to get to the end of the getting the rear end back together, but there was a lot of little things we had to do as far as modifying like the caliper brackets and all that stuff to get his car going. Did get Lee's car back together. Once it is back over at the other shop, we'll put all the 31 spline stuff back in it, disc brakes, all that. And if you didn't catch the video, Lee's engine bay looking ridiculous. This car is going to be so cool. But that is what is up, guys. So many projects going on. Kind of hard to remember all of them and keep up with all of them. So I will bring all of them to you, though. I promise. So in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and go build your beast. Later.